Welcome to Next Gen Cloud Computing. Master Linux and cloud skill for free.
Key responsibilities of a Linux administrator. A Linux administrator is the backbone of IT infrastructure, responsible for ensuring that Linux-based systems are secure, efficient, and available. If you're curious about what it takes to manage these systems, here's a deep dive into their key responsibilities. 1. System installation and configuration. One of the primary duties of a Linux administrator is setting up servers and systems. They install Linux distributions like Red Hat, Ubuntu, or CentOS, tailoring configurations to meet the organization's requirements. This involves partitioning, configuring services, and optimizing system settings for performance and reliability. 2. Managing user accounts and permissions. Admins are gatekeepers of system access. They create and manage user accounts, set appropriate file permissions and group policies, ensure that only authorized personnel have access to critical resources. This role is vital for maintaining system security and preventing unauthorized access. 3. Monitoring system performance. Linux administrators monitor the health of servers using tools like htop, Nagios, and Grafana. They keep an eye on CPU and memory usage to prevent bottlenecks, disk utilization to avoid storage issues, network traffic to identify and resolve latency problems. Proactively spotting potential issues helps maintain smooth operations. 4. Security and patch management. Securing Linux systems is non-negotiable. Administrators regularly apply system updates and security patches, configure firewalls using tools like IP tables or FirewallD, harden servers against threats using best practices like disabling unused ports and services, monitor logs for suspicious activity and respond to security incidents promptly. 5. Backup and disaster recovery. What happens if a server crashes? A Linux administrator ensures that data loss doesn't disrupt operations by implementing automated backup solutions using tools like RSYNC or Bacula, testing disaster recovery plans to ensure quick system restoration during outages. 6. Automating tasks with scripts. Admins leverage shell scripting and tools like Ansible to automate repetitive tasks like user creation, log rotation, software deployment. Automation not only saves time but also reduces errors. 7. Supporting virtualization in cloud platforms. With the rise of cloud computing, Linux admins often manage virtualized environments using tools like KVM, VMware, or Docker. They also work on cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or GCP, ensuring seamless integration of on-premises and cloud systems. 8. Troubleshooting and problem solving. A Linux admin is a detective when issues arise. Whether it's a service failing to start or a kernel panic, they analyze logs using tools like journalctl and DMESG, debug and fix software or hardware issues, provide support to development and IT teams for smooth operations. Lightbulb, want to learn more? If this sounds exciting and you want to explore Linux system administration in depth, check out my free tutorials on YouTube at NXG Clouds. Movie camera, learn hands-on skills like managing servers and users, configuring firewalls and securing systems, automating tasks with scripts and tools. Right finger, join the journey to becoming a Linux expert. Rocket.